Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, rear window defroster, security system. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.